everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to create an invisible folder in any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now I'm using a Windows 11 operating system. So if you're using a Windows 10 or older Windows operating system, still these tricks will remain the same. So firstly, just right mouse click and now just go to this new and just select this folder to create a new folder, right? So this new folder is not invisible folder. So now after creating a new folder, what you need to do is just move your mouse cursor to the Windows Start icon and just click on it, and in the search box just search for one program name as character map. Just search this program name and just click on it. Now it will open up the character map program, right? So just scroll down below and you will see here some blank square boxes, right? So here I will select one blank square box. So you can select any one of this blank square box. So I will just select this one, EN, that is English space, that is U plus, as you can see, the number 2002. You can select the other one also, any one, but it should be a blank one. So I will select this one. I'll click on it, and after clicking on it, you can see here select. Just click on this select and just click on this copy to copy this blank. So now you can close this character map. Now just right click on this new folder again and just click on this show more options and just click on this rename. Now just right click on it and just paste the earlier copied text, and now just left mouse click on this blank area. Now there is no name, right? Now still we have some more settings to do. So once again just right click on this folder and now just select this properties, and now you can see on the right top corner customize. Just click on it, and below you can see here an option written sense icon. Just click on it, and now just find a empty folder. So here are the empty folders, so you can select any one of this. So I'll just select one and click on OK, click on apply, click on OK. Voila, now you can see the folder which was visible earlier now has become invisible or totally transparent also, you can see. So there is a folder here, as you can see here, but you may not know that there is still present a folder. So if you put your mouse cursor above it, then only you can realize there is something hidden or being invisible here. So if you want to unhide it again, just right click on it and just go to the properties, just go back to customize again, click on the change icon. You can select any folder or any save or icons if you want to change the different icons, or if you want to restore, then just click on this restore default, click on apply, click on OK. So now your invisible folder has become visible again. So using these cool tricks, you can easily create an invisible folder in any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.